I spoke with HR professional Ira Wolfe for his take on available jobs in the AI industry.
Industries such as finance and banking, a lot of the tech people are moving over to those roles outside of the tech companies per se, but into banking and insurance.
As you might expect, the information sector dominated, but the sectors using AI are quite diverse.
And some surprising ones, agriculture, fishing, and hunting, about 1.6% of jobs. Education was 1.5%, management.
Looking at location, California posted the most AI-related jobs with over 140,000, followed by Texas and New York.
So a lot of the people from tech, although they may be leaving the Apples, Googles, Metas of the world, certainly have a lot of other opportunities that are out there.
Opportunities that will hopefully increase as AI technology continues to develop. Sean Marshall, NTD News.